Matt, the mortgage guy here. In today's video, I want to talk about these mortgage offers you receive by mail. It might be addressed to you saying, we can save you money. It's a mortgage relief program. It's a government program. It's got the name of your mortgage company on it, maybe. It looks super official. We want to reduce your payment. We want to reduce your fees. In today's video, I'm going to talk about these mortgage offers that come by mail, and I'm going to uncover the truth. So before I get into it, if you like straightforward content that revolves around mortgage, real estate, and the housing market, do me a favor, smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. It helps me, it helps the channel, it helps more people get this good information, which I think will benefit you. So straight into it. I love making these videos because I think I'm going to at least be able to help a few hundred consumers avoid what might be considered a trap, right? Because you get something like this in the mail, it looks super official. As a homeowner myself, I get all the same crap that you get. And announcement, Federal Housing Finance Agency. And this is for me, this is for the Gouget household. So you open it up, and here's the thing, is these companies are going to use something that makes you think it's legit. They're going to use a program, or what I see a lot of them do is they say, in regards to your loan with United Wholesale Mortgage, in regards to your loan with insert whatever mortgage company you have. It's all public record. They know who you're with. And then in fine print, it says not affiliated with your mortgage company. We just use that to make it look official to you. In this case, they're actually referencing a RefiNow program, which is a true government program. I talked about, I'll link the video below that I made a few weeks ago, because this program just came out in June. So here's what this company decided to do. Let's use a real program that just came out that's intended to help people. Let's send mass mailers to everybody referencing that program, whether or not you qualify or not. Now, here's the thing. I know I don't qualify for the RefiNow program. And that's something that's very important to know as a consumer, that just because you receive something in the mail, I get this all the time. People say, I got this offer in the mail, or they're offering me this. They're not offering you anything. They sent this mailer to get you to call this number to talk to you about a refinance. I don't qualify for this. And neither will 90% of people that get this mailer. But if they can do a good enough job getting you to pick up the phone and talk to somebody, they're one step closer to another mortgage transaction and more money being made. Unfortunately, a lot of big companies are designed to write mortgages and make money without the consumer in mind, without really using any sort of advising, because they're just using call center folks to get you into the best mortgage possible. And so I'll just read you a little bit of this, and it's super common. It can be this program, it could be another, but it's all the same stuff I'm seeing. And maybe what I'll do is I'll screenshot this and I'll put this up so you can see exactly what this looks like, because it uses real program highlights. RefiNow, launched on June 5th, and it's going to reduce rate and payment, and it's got eased credit and income requirements. This is all true. The fact is I don't qualify for it, so it doesn't matter. And, all the other stuff like no payment for a month and a half, and, rate discounts, apply in minutes, no obligation, close your loan in 21 days. All of this is just fluff. All of this is marketing. And the unfortunate part is I have to continue to make these videos because people will continue to send this stuff and people continue to fall for it. So here is, in closing, what I have to say to you. Whether it's this one, whether it's another one, be very weary of what you receive in the mail. Be very weary of the newest one I'm getting is people are calling me. And, hopefully you've got spam on your phone, some sort of filter where you're not getting all these calls. But I like to get them as a little bit of research, right? So I can do my public service and release these videos and help people out. But they're calling me and just saying, hey, I'm calling about your mortgage. If, rates have come down and equity is up and I'd like to help you out. They don't even know my address, right? These are true freaking cold calls. And if I give any inclination that I'm interested at all and that I have a mortgage, I'm going to transfer you to a supervisor. I'm going to transfer you to a licensed loan officer in your state. I'm going to transfer you to whoever. These mortgage companies are hungrier than ever, and they're smiling and dialing more than ever. They're sending out crap mailers more than ever. On the back, I'm surprised this one doesn't have more fine print. You know, on the back, it's just like, we're not a government agency, all this other stuff, a little bit of disclosure on, you know, their claims to not have a payment for a month or two, which is all common stuff. You know, it's all the same stuff repackaged in a different way to get you to pick up the phone. Here's my advice. Never, ever, ever talk to somebody at one of these companies and think you're going to get any sort of advising. Talk to a local professional in your state who's licensed in your state, who has a good reputation, who's a true advisor. You would never get a mailer that says, invest your money with us and we'll get you a 13% return on your $250,000 investment. You wouldn't just call them and be like, oh yeah, you know, it sounds good what you said in your flyer. Like, where do I wire the 250 grand? That's not how you do financial planning. That's not how you invest for your retirement. Your mortgage and the house that you own is a humongous asset, kind of like your retirement account. I know for a fact that people aren't just trusting anybody with their retirement accounts. So don't just trust anybody with your mortgage. These companies have spent millions of dollars in marketing. They've figured out exactly what tickles the consumer enough to make you call. So they're going to tout super low rates. In fine print is the 3 points cost for it. They're going to tout, this is a government program. This is limited time. This is, you know, for you and you only. And that's another thing that tugs at the heartstrings of the average consumer, because I talk to them every single day, is this is for me. Look, it's for the Gouget household. These are my friends. No, they wouldn't put me in a loan that doesn't benefit me just for their profit. They wouldn't do that. No, these are my friends. They addressed it to me. They sent it to me. And it's regarding a government program. The government's here to help. So enough with that rant. If you have any mortgage questions at all, please feel free to reach out, matt@mattthemortgageguy.com. I'm licensed in California. I'm happy to help. If you're outside of California, I've made it easy for you. greatmortgagebroker.com. You go there, you fill out a quick form. It's 6 simple questions, and it connects you with a licensed broker in your state. More importantly, a licensed broker in your state that I like and trust, who I know is going to help you look out for your best interest, give you high-level advising. Not the call center headset jockeys that you're going to get if you call back one of these companies. So hopefully that was helpful. If you find this useful, comment, like, subscribe, share it with a friend who might gain value from it. But when you get this stuff in the mail, use it as scratch paper. That's what I do. And then toss it. All right, thanks for watching.